Hi, my name is Kelsey and I work at the University Branch Library in Sugar Land. Today I'm going to show you how to take ordinary shoes and turn them into glitter shoes. The supplies you'll need for this project include plain shoes, new or old, Mod-Podge or other decoupage glue. I'm using the fabric one here, but you could also use the regular one in matte or gloss. Glitter. I've got an extra fine glitter. You can use whatever size and color you'd like. Masking tape. Cup or bowl to put your glue mixture in. Paint brushes or sponge brushes. And a clear acrylic sealer, either a spray or a brush on. I have a pair of new shoes here that I'm going to use. If you're using old shoes, clean them and make sure they are completely dry before starting. I'm going to begin by removing the laces. Then I'm going to tape off all the areas that I do not want to be covered in glitter. On these shoes, that is the sole and the lace holes. I'm going to start with a small piece of tape and line it up right at the edge of the sole and the fabric. Then I'll take another piece and do the same thing, allowing the pieces to overlap. Continue doing this until the whole sole is covered. It's important to cover the lace holes to prevent them from filling with glue, so you can put the laces back in when you're finished. To cover the lace holes, I'm going to put a small piece of tape over the hole, and then I'm going to use an X-Acto knife to cut around the metal piece. Be careful not to cut too hard into the fabric so you do not mess up the shoe. Also be careful not to cut yourself. Try to cut away from yourself in case the knife slips. Once you finish cutting, carefully remove the excess tape. Continue this process until all the holes are covered. Once everything is taped off, you're going to pour your glue and your glitter into a cup or bowl and mix them together. You don't want this mixture to be too thick, but you do want enough glitter to cover the fabric of the shoe. Then take your brush and begin applying the glitter glue mixture to your shoe. Try to layer it evenly over the shoe, covering the whole surface. It was difficult to cover the tongue of the shoe, so I just kind of brushed it into the shoe. This will get some of the glitter on the inside, but it shouldn't affect the wearability of the shoes. To save your glue mixture, you can layer another cup on top like so. Let the first layer of glue dry completely, and then put another layer of glitter glue on the shoe. If you find that you didn't get enough glitter coverage the first time, add more glitter to your glue mixture. Layer the glitter glue mixture at least 3 or 4 times, depending on how well it's covering your shoes. I did 4 or 5 for mine. When you're happy with how the shoe is covered, you can check for touch-up spots. As you can see, I have several spots that need touch-up, so I will just apply more glitter glue to those spots. Once you're happy with your shoes, let them dry completely. I let this pair dry a full 24 hours before sealing them, but would have rather let them dry for 3 or 4 days. Mod-Podge tends to remain tacky, so you want to use an acrylic sealer to help seal your shoes. I used this Mod-Podge sealer and sprayed 2 coats on my shoes and let them dry overnight. Once the sealant has dried, remove the tape from the soles and the lace holes, being careful not to remove the dried glitter with it. Once all the tape has been removed, you can replace the laces. And that's how you upgrade your boring old shoes with glitter. If you enjoyed this video, check out our YouTube channel for more. Thanks for watching and have a great day.